walk into my house last night after the festival, and this is how many boxes came in at Mug Boats. All right. This is just one of the boxes of Mug Boats that we're gonna open up, and hopefully we can just package them up and ship them out today. That is my goal today, because I need to get more of these out as soon as possible, because we're basically out of stock already on Amazon, and that's why we're probably not gonna be doing $1,000 days right now, because I'm out of stock. So let's get these out today. Hey guys, welcome to day 41 on the path to $30,000 a month. If you do not know me, my name is Nick. I'm an entrepreneur, and I have a couple businesses that I've been running for over the past 3.5 years. And I want to show you the ins and outs of business and basically my day in the life of business, the ups, the downs. And so we are getting out today one of my most popular products called the Mug Boat. I created it. It's based, because actually a lot of people ask this question. A Mug Boat is a outboard motor, like an old classic outboard motor. So it used to be these back in the 80s, and they stopped making them, so I created them. And so you attach it to your mug and spin it. Now the quality's not the best. I'm still working on getting them made better. I do have a competitor as well, so I'm not the only one now. But that's what happens when you create something. Someone else comes out and creates another version. So that's me. I'm basically just packaging these all up, putting them into a shipment box, labeling them, and shipping them off to Amazon. And so that's basically my whole day. It's a short video because that's all I'm doing. I got to go to the festival. This is day 2 for the festival, and there's three days total. So this is what I got. All right, so eBay, yesterday we actually had our highest day at 107.91 this week. So that's this month. And then on Amazon, we made 1581, our highest day this month as well. And then our total was $1,689, so not bad. So we are now at $7,635. We need to be at $11,000 right now to be on the 30K mark, but we just had big lifts here, guys. So really big lifts. So, you know, like I said, the Mug Boats aren't in stock really anymore right now for FBA, but I'm going to switch them over to FBM today. So hopefully they still sell, but I am basically out of stock. Like I cannot keep them in stock. And now that I got all these orders coming in, like this whole next week, I'm going to be fulfilling all these Mug Boats. Like every day I'm going to be sending out Mug Boats. So if you're not subscribed and you enjoyed a video like this, please subscribe down below. I make a video every single day. This is day 41 on the path to $30,000 a month. Until we hit $30,000, I am not stopping every single day. So I hope to see you guys tomorrow. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your Saturday. I will see you all tomorrow for Sunday for day 42. See you guys soon.